Welcome to part 2 of Mastering 3D Printer Slicing. Today we're going to talk about presets. Let's dive right into using the slicer. When you first started out, you probably downloaded models from MakerWorld and used the settings that came with the models to print them. If you get models elsewhere or start designing your own, a good place to start is to use the presets. The first thing to do is to make sure you select the correct printer and nozzle from the printer presets. Next, choose the appropriate filament from the filament presets. Now here's where you have the most choices, which are the process presets. Let's review them. There's 10 presets that both Bambu Studio and Orca Slicer have. They range from extra fine to extra draft. Let's go through them one by one. The extra fine is for high detail or precision prints. It's for miniatures or precision models. The high quality is very similar to the extra fine. It's a bit slower, but it's also more consistent. Then we have the fine preset, which is for high quality models where you want a smooth surface finish. The 0.12 high quality preset gives you a balance of detail and speed. The 0.16 high quality preset is even faster and gives you good detail. The best general purpose preset is the 0.16 millimeter optimal. And then you have the 0.20 standard, which should be your default for most prints. It again is balanced for detail, speed, and strength. The 0.20 millimeter strength is similar to the 0.20 millimeter standard, but gives you stronger prints for more functional parts. Then you have the draft and extra draft. Both of these are the fastest to print and just have okay quality, but are good for prototypes. Now to learn about the settings and the presets, let's dive deeper and compare the differences in them. Between the fine and high quality, you can see it slows things down and switches the sparse infill pattern from grid to gyroid for extra strength. Then between the high quality and the fine, we decrease the number and thickness of layers, but go back to grid sparse infill. We also ramp up speed, increase the ironing, and the layer height, along with the support settings. Next, between the fine and high quality at 0.12 millimeters, we ramp down the speed again and switch the sparse infill back to gyroid. Between the 0.12 millimeters and the 0.16 millimeter high quality, we change some of the strength settings slightly, increase the speed a bit, and change the support settings. Going to optimal, we speed things up and go back to the grid sparse infill. To standard, we lower the number of some of the layers, change some speed settings, and adjust the support settings. For the strength variant, we slow things down, increase the sparse infill density, and increase the wall loops. For draft, we adjust speed, layer height, line width, lower sparse infill density, lower the top solid layers and wall loops, and some support settings. Extra draft slows things down a bit, but increases the layer height. To give you an idea on print times of these presets, I printed the standard benchy with each preset, and the times range from 31 minutes to just under an hour and 3/4. Here's each of the benchies right off the printer so you can see the differences in the print quality. I hope you enjoyed this video. Look for the next in the series that'll be around supports and bridging and giving you the best settings for clean prints.